Hello everyone and welcome back here. Today we are diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone aiming to excel in their academic or professional journey. How to achieve a TOEFL higher score in just 1 month. If you're ready to conquer and score in 90s, for example, here is the right place. So let's get started. At first, let's quickly define what the TOEFL exam is. The TOEFL exam, or Test of English as a Foreign Language, assesses your English language proficiency in 4 key areas: reading, listening, speaking, and writing. So, your performance in each section contributes to your overall score, and today we are here to help you to become a master of every aspect of the exam. The TOEFL exam is divided into 4 sections, each testing different skills and that are vital for effective communication in English language. So, all right, let's talk about the study plan that will take you from where you are to that impressive TOEFL score. In week 1, start by taking a diagnostic test to identify your strengths and weaknesses. This will give you a clear roadmap of what areas need to most attention, and you need to be careful. So, during this week, dedicate your time to strengthening your foundation. Dive into grammar books, explore vocabulary apps, and engage in online exercises to build your core English language skills. The next week, moving on to week 2, it is all about focused practice. Divide your study time equally among the 4 TOEFL sections. For reading and listening sections, for example, maybe make use of official tests, practice materials, and sample questions, for example. This will help you get accustomed to the question types and improve your efficiency. While practicing reading, focus on strategies like skimming and scanning to quickly find the key information. For listening section, active note-taking is your secret weapon to retain details. The next week, week 3, is where we tackle the speaking and writing section head on. For speaking, make it a daily habit to practice English speaking. So talk yourself, record your responses on your phone, or engage in conversations with your friends. So, as for writing, understanding the structure is crucial. Use templates to guide your integrated and discussion tasks. Remember, clear organization and well-supported arguments are key to acing TOEFL writing section. In the final stretch, week 4, for example, it is time to stimulate test day conditions. Take full-length practice tests under time circumstances. This will help you build the stamina and time management skills required to excel on the actual TOEFL exam. Remember, it is not just about taking the test. It is about learning from your mistakes. Review your answers, understand why you got certain questions wrong, and work on improving those areas. Now, let's delve into some effective strategies that will give you that extra edge on test day. Time management is crucial in all sections. Allocate special time for each question or passage to ensure you don't get stuck and have enough time to complete everything. In the reading and listening sections, maybe efficient time allocation ensures you can tackle every question while keeping an eye on the clock. So, when it comes to listening, active note-taking is your secret weapon. Develop a shorthand that works for you and jot down key points and ideas or maybe keywords. So this will help you retain information and answer questions accurately. Practice this skill during your practice sessions to become a pro at capturing essential details. Speaking fluently and coherently, maybe, is vital for success in the TOEFL speaking section. Focus on clear pronunciation and not through speech flow. So, engage in regular speaking practice to build confidence and fluency. Whether you are discussing your opinion or summarizing a passage, ensure your responses are well structured, hierarchical, and easy to flow. So, in the writing section, organization is key. Use templates to structure your responses for the integrated and discussion tasks. Your arguments should be supported with relevant examples and details. Remember, a well-organized and hierarchical essay with strong supporting points can make all the difference in your score. As we approach the finish line, staying positive, setting achievable goals, and celebrating your progress are crucial. Don't forget to refresh your mind and refresh your body. And there you have it, your comprehensive guide to acing the TOEFL exam and achieving that impressive score in just 1 month. Remember, with the right strategies, dedicated practice, and positive mindset, You can absolutely conquer the TOEFL and open doors to countless opportunities. Thank you so much for joining me today. Until next time, with success.